There are slight differences between different designs concerning installation. Follow the specific installation instruction for each product. Okay then, let's get started. Start by choosing the flooring. It's important to choose the flooring according to the area of use. If it's to be subjected to heavy traffic, flooring with appropriate classification should be used. The choice of color should also be considered. Light flooring is more prone to showing off dirt than, for example, more neutral nuances such as gray and mixed shades. Here we have chosen to install graphic mache. To obtain the maximum life of the flooring in service, it's important that there is an effective entrance system in place. The risk of stains and damage to the new flooring can be reduced by ensuring the walls and ceilings are completed before the flooring is installed. The material must have adjusted to room temperature at least 18 degrees Celsius before installation. It may be necessary to bring the material in the day prior to the installation and leave it overnight. Before starting, let's take a look at the tools. The following should be available: sander, Stanley knives with hooked and straight blades, floor rule, trowel, heavy roller, spreader for eliminating any bubbles, narrow roller, cold weld. Start by leveling the floor to ensure that it's free from adhesive residue, cracks, and other irregularities. Sand the subflooring. Remove the sanding dust and ensure the subfloor is clean and dry. Now it's time to decide in which direction the rolls are to be installed. Incoming light and high traffic areas can affect the installation differently. In this instance, we have chosen to lay the lengths in the direction of the incoming light. Measure and mark the position of the lengths. It's important that the arrows on the back always point in the same direction. Cut the length. Roll them out and allow them to relax. Remember that the lengths are installed with a 4 cm overlap. Cut through both layers at the center of the overlap, in this case 2 cm from the end. Keep the knife straight and steady and use a straight blade. The size of the overlap varies between different products depending on the pattern. Refer to the relevant installation instruction. In this case, the lengths are 5 meters long. Fold over half the length and spread the adhesive using the trowel. Allow the adhesive to cure for a few minutes so that it becomes slightly tacky, reducing the risk of moisture bubbles. Roll over the length with a heavy roller to push out any bubbles. Complete the rest of the room using the same method. Trim along the walls using a hooked blade. For sealed seams, finish the installation by cold welding the seams. For this flooring, use masking tape to prevent overflow of cold weld on the carpet. Ensure that the tape is in contact with the carpet by pressing down using the narrow roller. Cut through the tape using the seam. Cold weld by pushing the needle down with one hand and apply with the other hand. Allow the cold weld to dry for a few minutes to prevent unnecessary mess. Remove the tape and check the result. It's easier than you think. Consult technical info on our website for further information. Good luck!